Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 5.8, what is compatibility mode? If you have an older version of Excel, so let's say it's 2003 or 2007 or 2010, you may run into a situation where your title will read, when you open up in a newer version, for example, here we are in 2015, if you open up that older version, you may see compatibility in brackets. That's fine. You'll just go over to File, Convert, and it'll convert it over to 2015. That's the compatibility mode, and generally there are no problems. There may be an issue or two when the data may be corrupted, and Excel will attempt to fix it, and you may lose a little bit of data. If that's the situation, make sure you have a copy of that file that you're opening. If you think there's a problem, just make sure you have a copy. Attempt to convert it over to the latest version. Keep your fingers crossed. Otherwise, keep it in the same mode as in its older version. Convert it over manually if you have to, if it's valuable data. But the compatibility mode, historically, I've never had a problem with it. I've had a few corruption issues, but they were minor, and I ignored them. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.